Guys, dito na kami sa mga room namin. Pero kakain muna kami. Mamaya na ako mag-room tour. Dahil gutom na tong isa. Hindi pa ito nag-breakfast. Yaren! Alika na. Guys, eto na yung labas niya. Ayan. Grabe, nagugutom na talaga ako. Only food to. Only food, only drinks, only sweets. Ay, puro only chubby. I don't know. Guys, kakain muna tayo. Ito yung restaurant. And then, they have here the slide. And this is the pool. May pang kids pool din. Amoy ko na, gutom na ako talaga. As in. Oh, it's another. Oh, diba? Ang kanta niya, sis. Ha? I don't know. The drinks is free. If you want, you can drink. And also, he said, in the room there's a menu. There's a reception that which when to eat, what you want to eat.
Yeah. You can order.
Yeah. In the room.
What time is the dinner?
In the room. We will ask. But in the room, they also have like a schedule. Yeah. It says there. They have mocktails. What is that? Yeah, I know that. They have that at home. Guys, nag-order sila ng mocktails. Huwag ka naka-mocktails sa mga anak ko. Hot chocolate kaya. May lahat si Chocolate Farm. Wow naman, naka-mocktails. Oh. Wow, mocktails here. You drinking? Yeah? Wow naman. Yeah. While they're drinking cocktails and mocktails, I will drink hot chocolate.
May alcohol yun na yun sa'yo, wala.
Ah, ito kay sister, oh. Ay, paksi sister. Naka-cocktails. Kape na alak. Thank you. Ito, hot chocolate. Gusto mo hot chocolate, ma? Patay tayo si Jenny. Naka-mocktail si mother. Meron ding wine.
Oo. Every night na tayo dito.
Oo. 10 to 10. Oo. Not budget. Use it on, anak. Huh? Ah, you get on a plate. There's a plate beside.
Baby girl.
Ate Shay, there's a snacks there. Guys, nag-order pala ako ng... Ay, nag-order. Eto, kinuha ko yung hot chocolate. Sa mga bata, mocktails. Wow, for the first time, nakadrink sila ng mocktails. Kay ate, Sex on the Beach. And Baileys. Kay Gunner, Baileys din. Masarap yan eh. And kay, Rene, Malibu. And then, naglabas na rin sila ng food dito. Ayan, nagpila-pila na sila. Ha? Oh? Ate, kuha na ako, te. Kuha lang kita.
Çok yemek çünkü birazdan normal yemek yiyeceğiz.
Now you can rest. Rest, rest, rest. Sleep. Maya. That also your papa.
Hepsi içiyorlar avda. Aferin gel otur. Otur böyle. Çok yakın almışım ama. Çekim yapıyor o kadar. Yedi şeker. Süt istiyor musun?
Nakatingin yung mama sa atin, binawasan ko na lang.
Oh, dat kan niet doen. Die daar zo, die ging direct voorkruipen.
Dinner, they have ice cream.
No, hij heeft aas.
How it is?
Hij asked if ice cream. Say no ice cream. Not try. Meer eentje proberen.
Nee.
Val moet mee met de muziek zo, hè? De muziek is niet hard nou. Nog gratis is het.
Het is straks een buikpijn.
Ja, dan moet je weer naar de wc.
Guys, let's try this. Ito pala yung mga kinuha ko.
Is that else?
So guys, here's the food that they bring para sa snacks. Ayan, Turkish cookies. And ito yung restaurant.